All right, this one says, bone has a Young's modulus of about 1.8 times 10 to the 10th pascals. Under compression, it can withstand a stress of about 1.67 times 10 to the 8th pascals before breaking. Assume that the femur, that is the thigh bone, is 0.45 meters long, and calculate the amount of compression this bone can withstand before breaking. Answer in units of millimeters. All right, before we start, I have written down some important information. That is the formulas for stress, strain, and Young's modulus. This capital Y is Young's modulus. That's just simply stress divided by strain, and this is what you get. Okay, now let's write down what we know. All right, so we were given the Young's modulus, and we know the stress. Stress is, you can think of it as pressure. The equation looks pretty much identical. And then the strain is just the change in length divided by the original length, or change in size divided by the original size. So this could be height, length, whatever, and then this is the original of this one. So we were given the stress, that is, we have this quantity. All we got to do is a little bit of algebra here and solve for the changing length, because that's how much the bone can compress before it breaks. So the first thing I'll do is divide by the stress. I thought about replacing the formula with the word stress. However, I think it's going to be faster for me just to write the formula. So formula, it is. Normally I would say, because this works as a fraction, multiply by this reciprocal. However, I have this quantity as a quantity. I don't have the force or the area. Now multiply by the change in length. I'm going to use the reflexive property, just so you're not confused. That is, having my left side as the right side and the right side as the left side. And the last thing to do, I'm going to treat this one as a fraction, is multiply by the reciprocal to isolate change in length. Now that I think about it, I should have left my equation the way it was, because my variable was on the left side already. But hey, live and learn. And there you have it. The amount by which the bone can break is the stress divided by Young's modulus times the original length. This is how it looks when you plug in your numbers. And just to do a unit check, pascals will cancel pascals. We end up with meters. So the last thing you have to do to get the right answer, you multiply your answer by 1,000 because you want millimeters. So because I'm not going to do it in the calculator, I'm just going to say I know that 1,000 millimeters are 1 meter. And then I cancel my meters and I have millimeters. That's it.